Hi everybody, welcome to a day in my life. And today we're just gonna go through my day. It's not a typical day because I'm not gonna vlog my usual days. So why today is significant is because I'm going to a flower workshop, which is gonna be really fun. And we're gonna make these New Year's compositions out of, fir tree branches. It's gonna be so beautiful, and I want you guys to see, what I will see with my eyes. And yeah. I have this tradition that right before work, I visit my favorite cafe where they make the most tasty cacao in the city for a reasonable price. And they import their cacao from South America, and the taste is just unmatched. I would like for you guys to take a look at my office because it looks so cool. Here I have a still life, which has a summer basket and a winter Christmas wreath. I know those things may be contradictory, but I feel like they match. Got these Christmas lights, balloons, and my favorite pink couch, of course. I've put up this curtain which says 2024 and some more curtains. So yesterday I was 100% sure that I was gonna go visit my husband on his business trip in the city of Vladimir, which is not really far from Moscow. And I thought that I would, visit him at that city today or tomorrow. And then we would go to Moscow and just hang out in the city because it's decorated pretty beautifully. And then my husband decided that that's not a good idea, that he's tired and he wants to come back to Kiev. I'm so excited for the upcoming workshop. I know that by the end of today, I'll have a whole New Year's composition that I can just look at, and that will be a replacement of a Christmas tree because I'm not getting a Christmas tree this year. And yeah, I'm so excited. And tomorrow my husband's coming back from his business trip, and I'm really, really happy that I'll see him. Also, tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to the gym, to the sauna, and maybe to a massage, so yay! I would like to share with y'all a very sad story. My husband got this amazing coffee machine for me for my office so that I could serve my clients coffee at our English lessons. And when like these really cold days hit our city, when it was like -30, -35, -39, the machine just stopped turning on. And now it's not turning on. So I plug it into the electric socket and nothing, like I try to turn it on, nothing works. As you can see, it's a really cute machine, but it doesn't work. So what's the purpose of it? I can't even use it. So let me tell you guys about the workshop. Firstly, we got to choose what color candles we wanted and which color our composition should be. Then I got to take some photos and just kind of get in the zone before anybody else arrived. It's a really beautiful space and I got a lot of inspiration from it. And as you can see, they have such wonderful Christmas decorations, and I believe that they have the most beautiful flower shop in our city. So you can just admire them here. And then girls started arriving and we started our master class. So basically the main idea behind it is that you put the branches in order from tallest to shortest, starting from the back until the front. So you have like a forward facing composition, and you put your candle kind of asymmetrically so it kind of looks more harmonious. And of course you have to cut every branch at a 45-degree angle so that they absorb more water, and you place the branches onto a soaked sponge inside the pot. So it's really not that difficult. And then we had this kind of break where we had these wonderful desserts, and now we were ready for decorating. The decorations were placed using a hot glue gun, and this composition could last about 3 weeks before it starts to kind of dry out. And as you can see, I have this wonderful pink composition and I was so happy with the result. I've been dreaming to attend this type of masterclass for about a year now, and the last time I was sick, so this time I had this wonderful opportunity to finally make my wish come true. Here I am unpacking it at my house and it just matches my interior so perfectly. I'm so happy with the result.